it's not the like wrong foods. It's just there's a better way to have these sort of foods, and these are just some tips that I can give you to increase sort of vitamin intake and nutrient intake. And yeah, so things like, for example, flax seeds. So we grab them, we put them in our salads. The nutrients come from the nutrients come within the flax seeds. So the best thing to do is actually to grind them up.
I did not know that.
I did not know that.
I did not know that.
So they're high in omega-3, they're high in obviously fiber, which is fantastic, but to get the most out of it, you put it into the grinder. So can I show you?
Sure.
Thanks, Ray.
At least I know how to do this. There we go. And then you can sprinkle this on your popcorn or your salad or into your soups, and there you go.
Yeah, and it's super easy.
Moving on down the line.
Okay. Well, this is actually awesome, and you'll thank me for this one. So bananas have a high sugar content, and the best way to metabolize a banana is to actually add fat to it. Now, this isn't sprinkles, this is just things like almond butter or peanut butter that you can make yourself. People love this, so you put, maybe have a piece of toast in the morning, you put your almond butter on, and you put your banana on top. So even if...
You want me to do that for you, too?
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks, Mom.
Okay.
So you peel it, you can dip it in, or you can put it with, okay, you can be professional. I would just dip it in, but you can do it like that.
No, we're not going to dip a whole banana in there.
Look, I don't want to do this either because I'm going to freak out.
Here, just, all right, fish it out. There you go.
Okay, we're not allowed to dip it in, but we're allowed to dip our whole hand into the... All right, so this one you might not know. So this here is yogurt. So you see the stuff at the top. What do we tend to do with this stuff?
Well, we'll just pour it off. I stirred it.
So someone just went like this, mixed it in. That's actually correct. So
right.
this is like yogurt whey at the top.
Yeah.
This isn't water. So what you do is you actually stir it in to the yogurt and then eat your yogurt. That's the way to eat it. So there's all the nutrients.
The way to get the benefit of the whey.
Yeah, that is all the nutrients back into the yogurt. You do not tip that out. So people think it's just water sitting on the top. So they just tend to tip it out. So mix it into your yogurt. Your yogurt doesn't taste any different and it's better for you. So there you go.
And what about strawberries?
With strawberries, and we do this a lot as, I'm not a mum, but mums do this a lot. They cut the strawberries up and they'll put them into lunch boxes. Try and keep your strawberries whole. They're high in vitamin C. As soon as you cut your strawberry, because of the oxygen, because of the light, it starts to break down that vitamin C. So if you're going to cut your strawberries, cut them immediately and then put them in your mouth or eat them as a whole like this.
I did not know that either.
There you go, guys.